Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, you are seeing this because today we are going to have a birthday special unboxing episode. So if you want to find out what inside these very beautiful pieces that I got for my birthday, a gift from me to me, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here is looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramira52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so actually this is going to be a late post. So this is a happy belated birthday to me kind of vlog. So the very first gift that I got myself is from Louis Vuitton. I have already unboxed this one. I would just like to share it again to you guys. But if you have missed it, I'm going to link it up here, put it on the description box below. So the first one that I got would be from Louis Vuitton. And it is the, here she is. So this is more of like, again, resharing or a reveal. It is the Louis Vuitton key pouch. And again, the reason why, so here she is. So the reason why I really wanted to get this one, because I feel that this is one of the most difficult SLG to find at Louis Vuitton, especially if it's in the classic monogram. I never really wanted to purchase this one pre-love or second-hand at pre-love market because I feel that number one, the condition is not good, and number two, if it's brand new, they are jacking up the price, and I wasn't ready to purchase this on a jacked up price. And I was very lucky that the last two times that I visited Louis Vuitton, my CA brought this out, and I immediately said yes, I would be getting this as a gift to myself. So this is my birthday gift to myself, and super happy to have her on my collection. Alright, for my birthday gift number 2 would be from Coach. I'm super happy. This is the very first Coach bag in my collection. And I'm sure guys, you have seen the 2 Coach vlogs that I have posted recently. And I was thinking of one of the bags that I've seen there on one of their sale, if I should be getting or not. I have actually also asked you guys here in YouTube and on my Instagram account. And thank you to everyone who shared their opinion. And with that guys, a couple of research on this bag. OMG, I finally got her. So are you ready to see her? I'm sure you know what's inside, but let us check out. So again guys, I'm super happy that the CAs at Coach are very nice and super kind and friendly. So they gave me this very beautiful box. Let us just open guys. I'm sure you want to see it. So here she is. 3, 2, 1. Let me just put it here. Here she is. So you may have noticed that the box is a little bit big. So currently at our Coach, unfortunately, don't have a small box, but I specifically requested if I still could get one so that whenever I would be keeping her, this would be safely secured. So are you ready? So it comes again with this very satin Coach dust bag over here. So let us reveal. 3, 2, 1. Janan! Oh, here she is. So this is the Coach Tabby Top Handle, size 20. If I'm not mistaken, it's either 18 or 20, but this is the smallest of this size. So finally, so you know guys, I've asked a poll on both Instagram and YouTube if I would be getting her, because there was a recent sale with SSI, and that company holds different luxury brands such as Givenchy, Balenciaga, Louis V, including Coach. And we went into the Coach store, not just browsing around. I wasn't really sure if I wanted to get anything, but when I opened one of their cabinets, this showed up. And normally guys, here in the Philippines, this would not go on sale. So here she is guys. Let us check her out. So I'm not really sure of the color, but later maybe I'll see the cards and everything. So the color is in, I would say, beige or beige clear or something to that effect. And as you would see here, the hardware is in silver. So here is the hardware. There, I love the hardware, guys. OMG. Then, of course, here is the side. The back, so with the back, it comes with the back pocket here. Then, of course, here is the bottom part. As you are going to see, Coach is very, very generous with their bags. Yes, this is a contemporary luxury brand, and the price of this one, you are not going to break back, but as you are going to notice with the quality of their bags, OMG. So it comes with the feet. Does it come with any logo? No, it doesn't. So at least protection when we are going to put down our bags. Then it comes with this dog tag here that says Coach. So let us open. So by the way, guys, before we open, as you're going to notice here, this is what I was kind of doubting if I'm going to purchase this bag, because there are creasings on the side over here. On this one, it's more creases, and then on this, not much. But when I have researched on this one, plus also you guys provided your very valuable information, you said that it's just normal for this kind of leather. Plus, if I'm just going to condition this bag very, very generously, then definitely I would be able to maintain the pristine condition of this bag. And as we know, guys, Coach is one of the good luxury fashion houses that is using very good leathers for their bags. So let us open. So if you're going to open, you need to press it here. There. So here is the inside. So let me just check what's inside, guys. Of course, we have the leather strap. So I love the strap that it comes with. Again, 100% leather with silver hardware. Then as you are going to see here, it comes with these holes here. So definitely you could adjust the length of your strap. So later we are going to do mod shots. Whoops, sorry. Oh yes. And here are the... Oh, that's nice. This is the first time that I'm seeing this. So this is the buckle, guys. Then you are going to notice, can you see that there is an engraving of Coach? There. That is super nice and very, very thoughtful. And then, of course, okay, so I was able to find with the care instruction. So it's inside. So it's just really the care instruction, guys. It doesn't mention what kind of leather they have used for this bag. So as you are going to notice, once open, guys, so it has how many compartments? So it has 2 compartments, main compartments. So 1, 2. Then it has a zippered compartment here. And then on the back side, that is where you are going to notice there is a leather piece of tab over here, and it would show like the authenticity number of Coach. And then here, this is the silver closure. As you're going to notice, guys, it's not just a simple magnetic, so you would need to press this one to open your bag. Again, super thoughtful of Coach to be doing that one. And of course, we have here a pocket. Ooh, that's very, very generous, right? So I super love this one. Let me just inspect it again, guys, because again, I was super excited when I was inside the store. So actually, guys, aside from the side creases, I've double inspected the glazing. Of course, you have to be very careful with the glazing if there's cracking or anything. Right, so there are a couple of reasons why I finally decided to purchase my very first Coach Tabby Top Handle bag. So the Tabby line of Coach is one of the core bags of this luxury house that I find really, really attractive, and I really wanted to add to my collection. It's fairly priced, the design is very beautiful. So it comes with the top handle, it comes with the flap bag or the shoulder bag, and that shoulder bag also comes in the Pillow Tabby version, which I wanted to add to my collection soon. Also, it comes with the soft tabby, but definitely, guys, the Pillow Tabby, I would want to add this to my collection. So I have had a crush on this bag for maybe couple of years now. When I have initially seen this on Instagram and I've seen this in person, I said to myself, OMG for the price of this bag and how amazingly quality is. Definitely, she is a very beautiful or maybe a very handsome bag that I have a really major crush on. So then of course, the sale, so OMG, so this is the last piece and this was on 45% sale. So it's like such a no-brainer, guys, that I need to get this. Unfortunately, on my first visit, I wasn't able to get this one because I wanted to research on the creases that I found here on the side. But then again, after careful research and consideration and your feedback, I said yes on my second visit. So that's why OMG, this now would be my most cheapest luxury bag in my collection, but of course one of the most beautiful bag in my collection as well. I'm super happy to add her on my collection. Welcome home. Alright, let's do a little bit of what fits inside. I'm going to do more review on this one, but maybe you are going to ask whether a phone would fit. So one of the main consideration why I purchased this bag is that my phone actually fits. So currently my phone is charging, but I have the phone case here. My phone is iPhone 6s Plus, but that is the one of the larger phones here. So you could actually fit your phones here, there. Sorry guys, did you see that? So it fits on the first compartment. And then what I super love about this one as well is that the back pocket, you can easily slide your phone like so. Chanan! So yes, if you're going to carry, so you're going to notice that it's jutting out a little bit, but that is no problem for me because, for example, if I'm out, if I may be traveling, it's so easy. Like for example, slip your phone here and then just pick it up. Then if, for example, I'm doing shopping vlog, OMG, this is going to be so convenient for me. Alright, so guys, another reason why I wanted to purchase the Coach Tabby is Tada! So as you are going to see here, I have attached my micro Fendi baguette here. This Fendi baguette, guys, I rarely use now because of the size. But when I was thinking of purchasing the Coach Tabby, I was imagining that I will be putting her like this. So that, because technically you could use this as a bag charm. So there, so whenever I would be going out, I could now put my micro bags with my Coach Tabby and it would look like this. You could carry it like this. OMG, she looks good, guys. What do you think? Let's do some mod shots. Hi guys, so let's do a little bit of mod shot. So here she is. So guys, again, I'm standing 5'5". So this is the smallest of the Tabby Top Handle. So you could carry her. So definitely guys, I would love to carry her as a top handle like this. You could also insert it on the crook of your arm and carry her like this. Let's try the shoulder strap. So I have already adjusted the shoulder strap. So this is the shortest adjustment that I could try for this one, and which I find the best suited for me. So as you are going to see here, carrying it as a side shoulder bag, and then carrying it as a crossbody bag. That's why I love this length, because it's perfect for me. So as you are going to see here, then if you're going to get some stuff, it would be easy. Open, close. What do you think? There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So hopefully you had fun just like myself. Again, I'm super happy that I was able to give myself this wonderful goodies here. But anyways guys, thank you for watching our birthday unboxing episode. Again guys, before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account at Ramirofy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank yous for staying with me in this today's episode, guys. I'm going to see each and every one of you. Please do stay safe. Bye!